Well-being and the workplace, an academic environment that I need work management, Valerie Valencia. Being index, well-being and my life, nutrition, vocabulary about food and cooking, exercise, sport vocabulary. I like to look and feel healthy. I try to provide personal eating and take care of my health down, nutrition, and physical activity. At my job, I have to speed the day setting down. So, exercise is relaxing. I give on my body and mind vitality. I also like to pay close attention to my meals, try new recipes, and I love vegetables and fruits. Nutrition, food and cooking, vegetables and fruits. They provide fiber, vitamin, and minerals. Cereals and grains. They provide energy. Grains and meats. They reproduce tissues. Dairy, sources of calcium and protein. Oils necessary in moderation. Exercise. 1. Set a goal, whether of health and well-being. 2. Train schedule for activities. 3. Food and nutrition. Or rest is essential. Sleep and let's 7 or 8 hours. Thank you for your attention. See you later.